So I started this house renovation in October of last year, and I'm happy to say it is pretty much done, especially here in the kitchen. What I wanted to show you is the custom backsplash that the company did. Just blends excellent with the flooring, the antique white cabinets, the quartz marble counter, black appliances, and all that. This is glass tile, professionally done with grout. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And then above the microwave here, I had them put a little pieces right up here. This doesn't vent outside, it vents out the top of the microwave, which is fine. And I had a booger of a time putting in these black outlets and covers. These are 20 amp versus 15 amp, a little bit stronger. New switches and all that. Those are all canvas lights up there, adjustable light spectrum. You can adjust the color basically, the white color. And then over here, I have a little bit of trim work to, or not trim work, I have a little bit of touch up to do right along here, which I'll knock out today. And I'm going to do under counter lighting right here and on the other side too. And back here, I had to reroute this box over to line up here. It was over there, so while we had the drywall, we had to take the drywall out and put new, correct, better gypsum drywall in there. Much better. So there you have it. Not much else to report. Carla the kitten is growing up, healthy, happy, and all that. So thanks for watching, and I'm glad this is done. I can start enjoying the house now, and decorating, of course. All right, later.